Hello students, good evening everybody. In differentiation, we are solving the problems of exercise 13.4. So let us see this problem. Find the derivatives of the following functions from first principles. So 3 by x square, first one. Let f of x equal to 3 by x square, f of x plus h equal to 3 by x plus h whole square. We have f dash x equal to limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x upon h. This is the first principle or fundamental principle, right? By using this, we are going to find out the derivatives now. So limit h tending to 0, f of x plus h means 3 by x plus h whole square minus f of x means 3 by x square upon h. So how to simplify this? Take LCM. There is other to go. So 3 I am taking common. LCM x square minus of x plus h whole square upon h into x plus h whole square into x square. Now it looks like a square minus b square. 3 I am keeping out. Limit h tending to 0. A square minus b square means a plus b into a minus b. Write carefully. H of, okay, looks like a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. Okay, this x cancel. 3 times limit h tending to 0, x plus x 2x plus h into minus h upon h into x plus h whole square into x square. H gets cancelled. Now in the place of h keep 0. 3 into 2x, this will be 0, minus I am keeping out, upon here also x will be there into x square. That means x square into x square, right? So x to the power 4. So if you cancel one x here, minus 6 by x cube, right? Right. Therefore, f dash x equal to minus 6 by x cube, that is d by dx of 3 by x square equal to minus 6 by x cube. As already I told you, derivative of 1 by x power n is nothing but minus n upon x to the power n plus 1. By using this, in the place of n we have 2, so minus 2 by x cube. Already 3 is there, so minus 3 2s are 6. So our problem is correct. You can check that way. Okay? Let us see the second one. Next question. What is next question? X plus 1 upon x minus 1. So in the place of x keep x plus h. So x plus h plus 1 upon x plus h minus 1. Limit h tending to 0. In the place of f of x plus h, I am writing this by minus upon h. Limit h tending to 0, Take LCM here. X plus h plus 1 into x minus 1, x plus 1 into x plus h minus 1 upon h into x plus h minus 1 into x minus 1. Okay? LCM, is it clear? Now multiply with this. Limit h tending to 0, x into x, x square minus x plus hx minus h plus x minus 1 minus x square minus xh plus x minus x, okay, minus h plus 1 upon h into x plus h minus 1 into x minus 1. Okay, x square gets cancelled, plus x minus x gets cancelled. Anything else? Here minus x plus x cancel, plus 1 minus 1 cancel, then what is remaining? Hx, oh, hx minus hx also cancel, minus h is remaining, so minus 2h upon h into x plus h minus 1 into x minus 1. H also gets cancelled. In the place of h keep 0, then you will keep minus 2 by x minus 1 into x minus 1, that is x minus 1 whole square, right? So therefore f dash x equal to minus 2 upon x minus 1 whole square, that is dy dx of derivative of x plus 1 upon x minus 1 equal to minus 2 by x minus 1 whole square. We can check also whether it is correct or not by quotient rule. I will let you know later. So x minus 1 into derivative of x is 1. So x plus 1 into derivative of x is 1. Right, correct. Minus 2 by x minus 1 whole square. You can check by using quotient rule. I will tell you later. That is second one. Third one, is x plus 1 by x. So answer will be 1 minus 1 by x square. How? So x plus 1 by x. So I will take x plus h plus 1 by x plus h. In the place of x, keep x plus h. Okay? And now limit h tending to 0. F of x plus h means x plus h plus 1 by x plus h minus x minus 1 by x upon h. Okay? Limit h tending to 0. Here x minus x gets cancelled, right? X gets cancelled. Then what is remaining? H plus 1 by x plus h minus 1 by x upon h. Take LCM. LCM h into x plus h into x. So you will get one time, no? So h into hx into x plus h plus x plus h cancel x. So here x h, right? So here plus x minus x cancel. Limit h tending to 0. Hx square plus h square x minus h upon hx into x plus h. So if you take h common in the numerator, then what will you get? limit h tending to 0, x square plus hx minus 1 upon hx into x plus h gets cancelled. Then in the place of h, if you keep 0, then you will get x square minus 1 upon here x into x square. That would be 1 minus 1 by x square. So I told you answer first itself, therefore our answer is correct. F dash x equal to 1 minus 1 by x square. That is dy dx of x plus 1 by x equal to 1 minus 1 by x square. That is the end of solution. Hope it is clear. Thank you.